At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down, see those leaders start to frown. It's sword and gun day. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late.
So after a weekend and a couple of mistakes, this is where we are. Got the tires on, got the gooseneck on, or the headset assembled. First generation gyro. I would say that it's coming along, looks real good. Still waiting on a couple more parts to get here from Amazon. Hopefully we'll be done this week, but pretty impressed with the bike, pretty happy with the progress. Hope you guys like it. Yeah. Couple more days and we'll be there, guys. 1989 GT Performer. Boom! And we out.
You hear a whistling overhead. Are you alive or are you dead? It's only Thursday. You feel a shaking